Welcome back. So I've been trying out all this concealer I own, and by trying out I mean a proper wear taste. I've been using this particular, all the concealers for 10 days, one concealer for 10 days and then different one. I've been wearing those concealers for 8 to 10 hours on daily basis, and basically to check what I like about this product, how it performs on my skin, and how it performs with different techniques and different products basically. So the point is, there are so many hyped up concealer in the market, and you might have bought one after your favorite YouTuber's recommendation, but sometimes those famous holy grail products seem to work for everyone on the internet but don't work for you. I know that happens. So what do you do if that happens? You find a way to make it work, right? After all, you have spent your hard-earned money on it. So the purpose of this video is to find a best way to use the particular product that you own. And if you already own that concealer and don't like this or like it, watch to find out if you can use it in any other way to suit your needs. And if you don't own any concealer that I'm going to talk about but looking for a recommendation, you may want to continue watching to see if this is the right fit for your personal issues. By personal issues, I mean hyperpigmentation, dark circles, stuff like that, not daddy issues.
Are you listening, girl?
Next product is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This product has medium coverage, and I got this in the shade a light and medium beige shade, but it turns out to be shade lighter than my skin tone. And the thing about this product is it smells like an old makeup smell or like an alcohol smell. It is really bad for people with sensitive skin. Plus the product description says it's fragrance free, so that makes zero sense. But I know I've been saying there are always ways to make product work, and because you spend money on it, but really when it comes to skin, really just avoid taking that risk. Because I had sensitive skin few months back in summer, and I used this Huda Beauty foundation just for a day, ended up getting tons of clog pores and rashes around my neck. So yeah, normally never again. If you know that you definitely do have sensitive skin, don't use this concealer. If you're not sure, do a patch test somewhere here on the hand before you do it under your eyes. This Wet n Wild concealer works great on me. Actually, the product is vegan and cruelty free, and I want to support brands like this, but the smell is so weird. The consistency is not that lightweight, and it does have a medium coverage, but this product takes longer time to blend than the other concealer in this list. So I found this to be a bit hard to use, but this product doesn't make anything look cakey or patchy. Once you're done, it is photo finish product. It's very natural looking concealer once you're done with it. I do see myself repurchasing it. It's extremely affordable, and just one of those concealer you can throw in your purse and car and one everywhere. Keep it handy like lip balms, so you can do with this, low, extremely cheap, and does an average job. Some people also prefer Swiss Beauty concealer for exactly the same reason I mentioned, but Swiss Beauty I feel like vanishes after 1 hour. You can surely use Swiss Beauty concealer just to conceal here and there, but it's good for like an hour, and then there is like this hue of the product, not even color, just hue of it. It just leaves behind like this powdery hue, like the one you get with powder foundation from MAC or NYX. We don't want that under our eyes because of how fast that disappears, and you can't really use them in full face of makeup regime. It's just going to disappear, and it leaves not only powdery finish, but this edges of your foundation will look patchy. So yeah, if you're seeing so many people recommendation for Swiss Beauty concealer and want to buy for feels on your skin like lightweight or medium coverage or affordable, whatever it is, I want you to try out Wet n Wild one. It's again a cheaper option and has the same feeling as to Swiss Beauty.